All right, good morning. We are out here on beautiful Lake Fork. Overcast, drizzle rain, perfect topwater day. Rory is up here absolutely slaying them on the horny toad, weightless topwater plastic frog. Of course, River's trying to help. But all right, I wanted to give you a quick tip. A buddy of mine called the other day asking for some help on his Lowrance graph, so I walked him through this and I realized that, hold on, you need a net?
No.
Pause for bass catching. River, don't eat the bass. Big or small, kiss them all. All right, so it reminded me that I didn't read my instruction manuals when I got my Lowrance graphs. A lot of stuff I figured out on my own, picking through, watched a couple videos here and there. Brent posts a lot of informative videos on Lowrance stuff. So this is something that somebody showed me that's probably in the owner's manual. And I had my Lowrance graphs for a couple months before I realized you could do this. And now that it's just a tool, right? So quick tap your power button, pop up your menu, edit your overlay here. And now I'm in edit mode. I can add, change, configure all of my extra settings on the graph here, right? So I noticed I'm sitting here looking at Roy's graph on his boat. He doesn't have the time on here. And if you're tournament fishing, I like to have time on every single display on my graph. So I'm gonna add the time. Put it way up here. See how tiny that is? So now I'm going to configure it. I'm gonna make it big, medium, large. Yeah, I'm gonna do it large. And then bezel puts a gray box around it. I don't like that. It takes up too much of the background noise. Caption, see where it says time? Everybody knows what a clock looks like, right? So I don't need it to say time. And then if you invert text, it changes it to the white like that. So keep it on black, digital. If you are psychotic and you wanted to look like an actual clock, then, I mean, you could do that if you want, go to analog. But anyway, the coolest trick that I think about this after you edit this out is you get to move it wherever you want. You can put it on anywhere on the screen, but for this current layout, it needs to be up here on the map because it gets washed out on all the rest of them. So anyway, go in here to your, make sure you save it. We got the clock now. You can do this water temperature, time, depth, all this stuff. You can put any of that stuff on any page. Now, quick review, tap that, your soft tap your power button, edit overlay, and then now it is in edit mode. And you have all these new little menus pop up. You can add, change, delete, configure. Make sure you save it when you roll out. All right, good luck on the water. Now we know what time we gotta be